my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the one of the trending thing that we are hearing, right? So anti-gravity, anti-gravity, anti-gravity. So that thing we are going to explore today. So you guys may also have an idea on the VS Code and many other like Cursor and Windsurf, many other kind of IDs you have already gone through. But this one is ultimately different, guys. So you guys need to must try it. So even for working environment, if you guys are already using VS, you can directly switch to this one. So even this have a remote terminal, any kind of access, all thing that the VS can do, that it can also do, even extra it can do. So let us see what are the different things that they have added and how we can do a small real-time case study analysis with the help of AI as well as an MCP integration. How that is working in anti-gravity, let's check it. So this is a normal down installation, like how you guys are downloading the VS and other kind of things. So you guys can download and install this application, which is very simple. So let me go over the UI. So UI is very quite user friendly, so which is same like how the VS and other kind of tool, but they added more features like here some settings and the Google account linking. So many kind of tabs I can able to see. I also haven't done many explorations still, but some many user friendly things are added here, so I can clearly see those things. So let us see an MCP server that what we can install today and how we can try. So here in anti-gravity, there is an option, not in anti-gravity, any kind of IDE, we have an now the tool integration now it is possible, that is MCP, which is nothing but a model context protocol. So what the AI teams have done is that they have generated a protocol things, an open source standard for connecting a AI application to an external system. So like a Jira, even a playwright thing like GitHub, any kind of things that we can connect. So that is what the MCP server can do. So today I haven't created a configs like in a tool integration, so that I also tried, but that seems to be some kind of prerequisite that we need to follow. But here that is very simple. So I have created a .py file where I have imported the files. Under there I have added the import of Jira MCP. So where I have started a main definition with the Jira underscore MCP dot run. So it will run our MCP server. So some prerequisite that need to be run is that we need to set the our Atlassian domain, your username, password, and API token. So how to set that is the simple thing. So like here you can see, right? So like this way you can set it. So set x Atlassian site, Atlassian client ID, Atlassian secret. So these are some commands you can do, and you can also verify whether the environment is set properly or not. So get children item env Atlassian. If you type in a PowerShell, you can able to see what you guys have configured, so that you can verify it. So once you have configured this one, so go to your terminal and run this command. So Python Jira Python space Jira hyphen MCP hyphen run dot py. So this what will do? This will run this file. So the .py file that we have run, right? So here what will do? The MCP connection will be initialized. Here you can see the starting MCP server, Jira MCP service with the transport access and the studio. So what it will do is that now our MCP, our anti-gravity IDE now can communicate to the external Jira platform. So that is what we have done here. So I have also created a false account, like in my name only, not organization or any kind of things I have done. So I have just created an Atlassian domain with my name, and the access details I have already entered there. So I have created a ticket or a task like MDP7. So my discovery project like that way. So as an wireless engineer, I have added Wi-Fi 7 test plan creation, refer the IEEE papers. So like that way, I just bluntly mention, because just to test the things, right? So and also know what it will do. So please create a test plan for the latest Wi-Fi 7 feature with referring to any kind of IEEE. So as a human, we can directly understand it. So even you can add many kind of information here. So I am leaving this to you. So what I am doing that I am copying this MD7. So this is what my ticket Jira ID. So this server now the IDE and this platform is already connected. So we have already established a TCP connection over there. So now what I will be doing is that I will be going to your prompt session. So here there is an open agent manager is there, right? So once we done is that we can able to land to this page. So I have already tested this. So I have given a very simple prompt. So I have not doing much thing. So I have to check how optimally this is working. So I have given a command, the normal NLP command, natural language command. So check the Jira issue MDP-7 and summarize its status. So this is a normal thing I have done. So it have run some quickly. It have run some 10 to 50 seconds only take, and identified that I need some more information that need to be present in ENV. So what I have done is that I have added a ENV file, and then I said try again. I have added in the .env. So now what it has done is that it have again re-triggered it thing, and it has given some summarization. So let me go to this one first. So what first it generated is that it generated some debug thing. So it's some kind of things that a path environment that it has done. So that is not needed. So Jira status it's are given. So directly it have written our description and summary. So even if we add more data here, everything will be here. So this is normal MCP server connection, right? So this is directly done and it was very easy. So we haven't to do any much thing. So we can directly read our Jira accesses, Jira details, everything from here. So I have asked one more thing. So the requirement is fine from the Jira status dot. Please prepare the requirement over that. So what the thing that they ask, so please prepare over it. So I have given this simple prompt. So you guys see, I haven't done a proper prompting, not a clear cut or context information I have provided. So what I have done is that I thought to check how the IDE with the interaction Gemini 3 Pro is how is working. So for that only I have given these kind of normal prompts. If a prompt was very big, we can even expect a good results. So what it's done is that it was researching Wi-Fi 7 features over IEEE standard papers and anything, and it have created one MD. So let's see that MD Wi-Fi 7 test requirement. So Wi-Fi 7 it has generated 11B test plan requirement. This is a document outlines test case verification feature requested in Jira MD7. So it have appended some information. So scope is that. So these all are some important feature in Wi-Fi 7. So Wi-Fi engineers will know. So 320 MHz, 4K COM, MLO, 1616 special stream. So those things it have done. So some test requirements is done. So it have given some test requirement, that is a spectrum mask, flatness, EVM, receiver sensitivity, bandwidth throughput, and link aggregation, verify simultaneous data transmission. So it have given something. So we have given a simple prompt, but it have generated more things. So it is quite interesting and it was nice. So thing is that I have just initialized a MCP context server with a simple .py file, and I have made a TCP connection over that. And from where I have just given a normal language processing information to the agent model, but it have fetched all the information and give us a very good one. So this was very nice. So that was very good. So even if your organization is allowing you to do these kind of things, you guys can even sign in the same account in both the places, and you can do any kind of task very easily. So this is one of the thing. So this is the how the MCP server installation that can be possible in here. So I think it is very understood for you guys. So MCP interaction and the Jira access is very simple. Even you guys can even sign in the GitHub account here, and you guys can even call the library function or the script or automation tool. Even if a developer want to fix any kind of codes, they can directly call this agent, and it will directly make the changes. Here you can see in the MD file, it is in the form of Git access, like so you can reject it or even you can accept the changes and file edition. So even if we iterately given a prompt, the changes are appending in the same file. So you guys can use this one to add code changes to your existing or a new file. That kind of things you can easily do. So I hope this is very understood for you guys. So we are planning to put many AI agent and real case scenarios in for the lectures. So please support, share, and like the channels. So foundation course is completely from the scratch, like introduction of AI, that is going very good. So an elite project course is what this kind of MCP interaction, testbed creation agent, and some kind of HTML code generation for the image and agent creation. Those things are we are already posting many videos. So please watch all the videos and please post your support. So the one more thing I thought to say, if you are a Geo user, then you guys can get a Gemini access for free. So yesterday only I got the access that you can see. Welcome to Google AI Pro. So this kind of things. I was subscribed to unlimited 5G user. So when you guys have done that, they are giving us a free Gemini access, like a pro access. They are stating the statement like some 35K worth of subscription that they are providing. So I am suggesting you guys also to go and get it. So it was very ultimate. I also checked some responses like how that is working. So that was very nice. So we can able to get the good things over there. So I'm suggesting you guys are also go on get the subscription. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel. So stay tuned for more lectures like this. So I'm suggesting you guys to follow the same MCP interaction how I have done. So I'm asking you guys to go more real time scenario. So like the software development cycle is there, right? So go over each process and integrate all the MCP servers. So I can guide you everywhere. So if you guys need any kind of MCP interaction or any kind of problems, if you guys face, please post in the comment section. I will for sure come and rectify it. So I'm leaving this to you guys. I will be in the comment section. I will be posting all the commands and what are the things I have done to make this. So please follow the same and do it. So I'm suggesting everyone to do this, get a hands on this so that you guys can remember it for all time. So please like, share, and subscribe channel. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.